Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to install WordPress in your local host. So to do this, let me go to the Google Chrome. Then we have to download XAMPP at first. So go to the XAMPP and click on download and download the latest version. To install the XAMPP, click yes. User account control on your system, some function are possibly restricted. Okay, no problem. Go to the next option, then click on next and next and next. Now it's start installing, so let's just wait for a few minutes. Okay, so installation is completely done, and now we have to allow access and done. Setup not responding. Okay, so done. Now click on finish. So this is our server XAMPP. Now if you want to install WordPress in your local host, then go to the XAMPP folder and go to the htdocs here, and here you have to create a folder first, and let's name it WordPress. And now we have to start the server and MySQL also. Allow the access, and now click on admin here. It will take you to the address localhost /php myadmin. Now click on new to create a database here, and let's name it WordPress DB. Okay, WordPress DB. Now click on create. So this is our database. Okay, now we have to download the WordPress latest version. WordPress download. Yes, download wordpress.org. Go to this website and download the latest version, and it start downloading. So we have to wait for a few minutes. So download is complete, as you can see here, and now just right click on it and extract here. So just copy all the things, Control C, and then go to the destination file htdocs and open the folder we have created, WordPress, and then paste here, Control plus V. Okay, so done. So okay, now go to the localhost / our folder name. What is our folder name? This file localhost XAMPP htdocs, and then folder name is WordPress. Just copy the folder name and paste it here. Press enter. Now check the language English and then continue. Let's go. Now our database name is WordPress DB. So right here, WordPress DB, and username is root, and password is null. Click on submit. All right, you have made it. Now run the installation. Site title, let's just type it WordPress site. Username admin, password admin. Confirm weak password and email. You have to give an email. click on install WordPress, Okay, now we have to log in. Just click on login and then type username admin and then password is also admin. Now click on login. So finally it's done. So this is our WordPress admin panel, and now if we just go to the site, click here visit site, and then you can see this is our site. So this is how you can install WordPress in your localhost server. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.